Understanding connections in Zoho CRM. Go into your setup and go to connections in the developer space. These are the existing connections I have. This is my test account, so I've got a load of stuff here. This is an existing CRM connection. I've got a list of scopes here. We'll go into those in a little bit more detail in a moment. This is the connection name. This can be capitalized. You can write this however you need to write this as per your requirements. And this is the connection link name. It will automatically create this based off of the connection name, and this will always be copied in lowercase. It's important that this stays in lowercase. It gives you a sample snippet for your first invoke URL to create, and it takes that connection link name. It's important that that's there. Let's go back out here. Let's create a connection. I'm going to create a connection to Zoho CRM. First of all, let's have a look through these. If it's listed here, if your service that you need to connect to is listed here, then this is a great way for you to quickly authenticate your connection to your app. Moving further down the list, Zoho CRM has got a dedicated service here. However, we're going to use the Zoho OAuth. This just allows it to open up to creating a connection to Zoho CRM and also to Zoho, I don't know, Analytics or Inventory or Books. Creating multiple connections in one connection, if they're available. So we will give it its name. Yes, I've got the uppercase C there, and it's copied it all in lowercase. So the scopes, I can search for the scopes here. So Zoho CRM. These are all of the CRM scopes that I can use. Let's go to the Zoho CRM API. I want to do this particular task here, insert a record into a module. It shows me the scope here, so it's offering me up. It tells me that I can use this scope. That will give me basically all the tasks for the Zoho CRM API. Or if I want to drill it down and give it specific tasks and only allow this particular connection to do certain things, then I can drill them down. I've got the list of modules that I can use and the operations that I can do for each of those. If it's a custom module, I can't specifically choose those custom modules. I can just use custom, and that will be all of the custom modules that I have on my CRM. I'm not particularly worried. I'm just going to click a few and go a bit crazy. Right, once I'm happy with those, go down and click Create and Connect. We go through a few steps here. It's just going to ask me to verify and authorize this. Connect. It's going to ask me which Zoho CRM I want to connect this to. If I've got sandboxes, they're available here. I can connect straight to my production, which is what I'm going to do in this case. At this point, all of those scopes that I chose, it's going to list the specific tasks that those scopes are allowing it to do at each of those steps. It's important that you read through this and you're clear on this, and that you're not allowing it to do more than what you want it to be able to do, or that it is capable of doing the tasks that you need it to do as well. You're welcome to click accept at this stage, or if you click reject, then it will save the connection for you. It won't authorize it. So we've created our connection. It's disconnected at the moment. We need to click connect. We'll go back through those steps. Choosing CRM we're connected to, and we can edit them. Let's reject it again and add in an extra scope. Click edit. All our other ones that we'd already ticked are already in there. Connect. Now it's added to that list. We're happy with the options that we've now got. We can click accept. We've now got connected. That's established. It's providing us our sample code. We can now take this away and put this into our custom functions, and we can execute against this connection.